Hey guys, it's me with another video because I haven't uploaded in such a long time, and I probably won't unless I do this. Oh well, but here is what I'm going to do. So there's a big mess over here, but this is kind of what I built. I haven't finished it yet, as you can see by the really sketchy top, but see if it works with one hand. It works. Sometimes it has a little shock after, but this was so easy to make. So right here I have an 18650 battery. Right here I have a switch. It's all like soldered together. This is soldered, but it's just with like some electrical tape. And this is the well, I don't know what it's called. I want to say like some voltage amplifier or something. But yeah, it turns the stuff from this into powerful arcs up here. And it does smell like ozone. It's very, very strong after you do it. But I'm not surprised. So for the outside, I've just got some zip ties. Not very good of a design here, but it's pretty nice. I don't want to touch it because I don't know how much volts it's pushing out or amps. I don't want it to like kill me. But yeah. Oh, and this is also really, really chunky. It wasn't going to be this, but the other thing I used broke, and I just decided to put this together. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that really short video. Yeah, like it, subscribe, please. That would be helpful. And comment maybe, but mostly subscribe because I've got like 66 subscribers, and it would be nice to have more. And because I want to, I don't know, do I want to make money off of YouTube? Too much work. Never mind. Okay. Subscribe. Hey, I know you didn't subscribe, but subscribe. Please.